Hi everyone, it's Trace. I'm back with another video, and I know, more twinsies. Ah. This is actually for Stamp With Us, hashtag Stamp With Us, or hashtag Stamp Play, hosted by Susan over at Susan's Heartstrings. And oh my gosh, there's somebody else. I'll have both ladies that are doing this collab, down below, but this is for Stamp With Us. So I am here to show you this stamp that I purchased from, I think it was Hobby Lobby. I don't think it was on sale. It was $2.79, but it was just adorable, and I had to have him. So I made Twinchies. And what I used was, or what I did was I stamped the bear multiple times on different types of papers. And it's a bee theme that I stamped the bear on. And I kind of paper pieced um, each bear like it's a quilted bear. So, like, this is one pattern, his body was another, and then his feet was a different pattern. And then I used another stamp that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's the, where is it? It is Bow Bunny bow stamp, and you get all these bows. And I got it for $2.49, and I used this bow. And I stamped it on this pattern paper that I had in my stash. It has moons and stars. It's really, really pretty. Um, so the background is a bee background, as you can tell. I, paper piece the bear with different pattern paper. I stamped the bow on that pattern paper. And then with my Copics, I used R20 for his cheeks and his ears. I used E79 for his nose. And then I went in with my Signo and I added some dots in his cheeks, and I emphasized his eyes. Then the bow, I use this pen surprises me. I outlined the bow in gold so it would stand out. And I didn't glue the bow all the way. I'm gonna pop it open. So it just gives it a little bit of dimension. But this pen is awesome. I went around it with gold, and then I used my Winkostella, and it has, let me see if it'll glitter. I don't know if you'll see. Oh, there it is. You add some glitter without adding glitter glue or anything like that. I love how that looked. Then I added some of those resin pieces, yellow ones, added it to my card. Um, this is from Jenn over at Sassy Southern NC Girl. She had a free digital, and I love these teeny tiny words, Jen. Oh my gosh, they're teeny tiny, and you get a ton, that is free on her Ko-fi. So go check out her channel. She has some really great digitals. I love it. I inked it with some walnut stain. No, vintage photo. Just inked it. I even inked up a couple of the bears. I inked up with some walnut stain around it. And then around the edges of my Twinchie, I used this, I think this was beeswax. from Artsy. And what I did was I took some on my finger and I rubbed it. Like it's almost like Rub and Buff. I think Rub and Buff is still around. And you just add it to the edges of your card. I just love how that looked. Isn't that cool? Okay. And then I did that to this one. This one has a different face. I paper kind of like switched them around with the papers. Um, I wanted to add some like tick marks here and there just to show that there, it was not paper piece, but like almost like a quilted bear, but I didn't have time. Maybe I could go back. So there's the glitter on the bow. Isn't that just cute? I just love this bear. He's adorable. Love it. This one says be kind. That one was said joyful. This one said delight. I need one that said magical. I don't think I saw um, a word on there, but that would have been great. But still, they still turned out really cute. And this one says sunshine. Oh my gosh, they are adorable. So those are my Twinchies, and this is for Stamp With Us and Stamp Play. I'll have everybody's information down below. Thanks, guys. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.